How to customize mouse settings on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize mouse settings through accessibility on your Mac. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, select Accessibility from the sidebar and click Pointer Control. Here, you can customize how your mouse and pointer work. Under Mouse and Trackpad, you can adjust the double-click speed and spring-loading speed. You can also enable mouse keys, which lets you control the pointer using your keyboard's numeric keypad. If you use a trackpad, you can also adjust options like the trackpad options and pointer movement. Under Alternative Control Methods, you can enable features such as head pointer or dwell control for alternative ways to control the pointer. Once you've finished adjusting these settings, simply close System Settings and your changes will be saved automatically. And that's how to customize mouse settings through accessibility on Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.